Imagine you have a photo of a sunset, but it's missing that extra pop of color. How can we bring those colors to life and make the image stand out? Let's learn how you can do this. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand Photoshop's purpose and key features, learn basic image editing techniques, identify and use Photoshop's main tools. Let's start. Photoshop is widely used by photographers, designers, and artists to enhance images, correct imperfections, and create digital artwork. Whether you want to remove red eye from a photo, adjust brightness, or add creative effects, Photoshop makes it possible. Let's explore some amazing features of Photoshop. Image editing. Change colors, adjust brightness, and fix imperfections. Layering. Work on different parts of an image separately without affecting others. Filters and effects. Transform your photos into artistic masterpieces. Text tools. Add stylish captions and titles. Advanced tools. Explore masking and 3D editing for professional designs. Before we start editing, let's get familiar with the Photoshop workspace. Menu bar, access file options and settings. Options bar, adjust tools like brush size and opacity. Toolbar contains selection, painting and retouching tools. Panels, organizes layers, history and properties. Status bar, displays, zoom level and file information. Workspace, the main area where you edit images. Now, can you identify the menu bar and toolbar in Photoshop? Try opening Photoshop and locating them. Basic image editing techniques. Working with Photoshop. To begin editing, you need to open your image in Photoshop. Click on File in the top menu. At the top of Photoshop, click on the File menu. Select Open. In the drop-down, click Open. To browse your computer for the image, navigate to your image's location. Use the File window to find the folder where your image is saved. Select the image and click Open. Click on the image to select it. The image will appear in Photoshop. The image is now ready for editing in the workspace. To resize an image in Photoshop, go to Image, Image Size, click on Image in the top menu, then select Image Size from the drop-down. View the current size of the image. A window will show the current width and height in pixels. Enter new dimensions. Type new values for width and height to resize the image. Reduce the numbers to make it smaller or increase them to make it larger. Maintain proportions. Ensure the chain link icon between width and height is active to keep proportions intact while resizing. Click OK to apply the new size, and the image will resize in the workspace. Changing the canvas size of an image. Canvas size adjusts the space around your image, not the image itself. It's useful for adding space for text or design elements. Go to Image, Canvas Size. Click Image in the top menu, then choose Canvas Size. Enter new width and height. In the Canvas Size window, type in new values to add space to the sides, top or bottom. Choose where space is added. Anchor boxes, center box. Add space equally on all sides. Top center box. Add space to the bottom and sides, keeping the top fixed. Click OK. Photoshop adds space around your image based on your settings. Explain why maintaining proportions is important when resizing an image. Pause for a minute and think. Here are some key tools in Photoshop. Zoom tool helps you get a closer look at details or view the whole image at once. It's great for working on small parts or checking the full picture. Click the Zoom tool in the toolbar. Find the magnifying glass icon on the left side of the screen and click it. Click on the image to zoom in. Click anywhere on the image to zoom in. Each click brings you closer for detailed viewing. Crop tool helps trim edges and remove unwanted parts of an image, allowing you to focus on the area you want to keep. Select the crop tool from the toolbar. Click on the crop tool icon, a square with overlapping corners, in the toolbar. Click and drag to draw a box around the area to keep. Click and drag to select the part of the image you want to keep. Anything outside the box will be removed. Adjust the box and press Enter to crop. Resize the box by dragging its corners. Press Enter when you're satisfied with the selection to crop the image. Selection tools. Selection tools allow you to edit specific parts of an image without affecting the rest. Marquee tool. The Marquee tool is a simple selection tool in Photoshop for creating basic shapes like squares, rectangles, and circles. It's useful for focusing on specific parts of an image. Types of Marquee tool. Rectangular Marquee tool. Select square or rectangular areas. Elliptical Marquee tool. Selects circular or oval areas. Single row Marquee tool. Selects a single row of pixels. Single column Marquee tool. Selects a single vertical column of pixels. We'll focus on the rectangular and elliptical Marquee tools. Rectangular Marquee tool. Select the tool dotted rectangle icon in the toolbar. Click and drag to select a rectangular or square area. The selection will appear with marching ants. Elliptical Marquee tool. Select the tool from the Marquee tool menu. Click and drag to create a circle or oval. Release the mouse to complete the selection. After selecting an area with the rectangular or elliptical Marquee tool, you can perform several actions. Move the selection. Use the Move tool to drag the selected area to a new position. Cut or copy the selection. Press Ctrl plus X, cut, or Ctrl plus C, copy. Then use Ctrl plus V, paste, to move it elsewhere. Fill the selection. Use the Paint Bucket tool or edit greater than fill to add color or patterns to the selected area. Apply filters. Apply effects like blur or sharpen to the selected area via the filter menu. Delete the selection. Press Delete to remove the content within the selection. Transform the selection. Go to Edit Greater, then Transform to resize, rotate, or distort the selection. Lasso tool. The Lasso tool is great for selecting irregular shapes. Unlike the Marquee tool, it allows freehand or edge-based selections, perfect for tracing around complex objects like animals. Types of Lasso tool. Regular Lasso tool draws freehand selections. Polygonal Lasso tool creates straight edge selections by clicking to set anchor points. Magnetic Lasso tool snaps to the edges of objects based on color contrast. Regular Lasso tool. Select the tool loop icon in the toolbar. Click and hold the mouse to draw around the selection. Release to complete. Once you've traced around the area, connect the end of your line to where you started. The selection will be completed and the marching ants will appear. Polygonal Lasso tool. Select the tool from the Lasso tool menu. Click to create anchor points along the edges. Complete the selection by returning to the starting point. Magnetic Lasso tool. Select the tool from the Lasso tool menu. Click on the object's edge to start. Move the cursor to trace the object, letting the tool snap to the edges. Complete by clicking the starting point. Once you've selected an area with the Lasso tool, you can perform various actions. Move the selection. Use the Move tool to drag the selected area to a new position. Cut or copy the selection. Press Ctrl plus X, cut, or Ctrl plus C, copy. Then use Ctrl plus V, paste, to place it elsewhere. Fill the selection. Use the Paint Bucket tool or edit greater than fill to add color, patterns, or gradients. Apply filters or effects. Use the filter menu to apply effects like blur or sharpen to the selected area. Delete the selection. Press delete to remove the content within the selection, leaving a transparent space. Transform the selection. Go to Edit, Transform to resize, rotate, or distort the selection. Magic Wand tool. The Magic Wand tool selects areas of similar color with a single click, making it perfect for objects or backgrounds with uniform colors or shading. Steps to use the Magic Wand tool. Select the Magic Wand tool. In the toolbar, find the Magic Wand tool. Looks like a wand with a sparkly star. If it's not visible, click and hold the Quick Selection tool to reveal it. Click the colored area you want to select. Click on the area of the image to select. The tool will automatically select all pixels with a similar color outlined by marching ants. Generative Fill. Generative Fill uses AI to enhance or modify images by typing a description of the changes you want. It's perfect for creating realistic edits or filling in missing parts. Select an area. Use tools like the rectangular marquee, lasso, or Magic Wand tool to select the area you want to edit. Click on Generative Fill. Once selected, the Generative Fill option will appear in the taskbar. Describe your edit. A text box will open. Type a description of what you want to change, e.g., add clouds or replace with grass. Apply the edit. Photoshop uses AI to generate a seamless edit based on your description. See the result. The change will blend perfectly with the rest of the image. You can review and make further adjustments as needed. Imagine you're designing a poster for a school event. How could you use Generative Fill to make the background more exciting? See how the color popped? We can do that using Photoshop. With just a few clicks, you can make any image more vibrant and bring your creative vision to life. Let's do a quick recap. Today, you learned the basics of Photoshop, from opening and resizing images to using powerful tools like the lasso and Magic Wand. With these skills, you can start editing and enhancing your own photos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.